Okay, Mama.
Oh, leave it there then. Yeah. Give this one also. Give this dog also. Oh, they're so scared.
This one lives in a house. The
Yeah,
other one
okay.
ran away there. He's gonna come back.
Oh, okay. You left the bread there, right?
Yeah, I left half of a loaf there.
Oh, okay, okay.
Half the loaf is left in the dicky for anybody else.
Okay, wait, I'll sanitize.
On my right hand.
There's another dog here.
I'm glad we kept half a loaf for him.
But no, he's very well fed.
Oh, he's outside the house. Okay, somebody.
No, I know this. There are other dogs there. Achha, no, those are rocks.
Oh God,
I thought they
those
were
are not dogs.
Okay. So. Oh, this dog also belongs to this. He's too very well.
He's quite nice, cute and moto.
That dog.
That dog, yeah.
He needs desperately. Yes. Please give
I
him.
wish I bought more Parle-Gs because I think the dogs prefer Parle-G to anything else.
Whatever we could get. I didn't know that you're.
I don't know there will be that many dogs really.
Okay, quickly give him that.
Huh, he really needs.
But he should not get scared. Huh?
Yeah,
He should not get scared. So sweet, he's coming. Oh, no, I can't see him. Ayush, where is he? Come here, puppy. Oh my God, he's so sweet. So sweet. Oh, please give him the entire loaf. Whatever you have. And we'll wait here. Let him eat aram se. Let him eat aram se.
He's so cute.
Huh?
So cute. I want to adopt him.
Oh. How many can we adopt, yaar?
It's already we're already on our fourth adopted dog.
Oh, how happily he's eating. So sweet. And he's so friendly.
Yeah.
The other ones ran away. Hai na?
Yeah.
No more Parle-G's left.
No, but it's okay. He's the first one who actually likes bread. So
Stray dogs also have a choice. They're like, we don't like bread.
it's nice multi-grain. It's healthy.
It's such a joy to see him eat like this. Ah.
Who wants more? Who wants more? He wants.
Oh.
He wants more. He's so cute.
So cute.
I think just leave him with the rest now.
Yeah, just leave it. Oh, bye. Bye, cutie pie. Aishwan, okay, use the sanitizer, please.
Yeah, of course. Oh, there's more dogs.
There are more dogs. Please let.
More dogs.
Oh, let them eat now. Don't touch them while they're eating because.
The other one ran away now.
Oh, the other one ran away.
It's
Oh.
okay, he got like almost.
No. This one wants to come inside. Aishwan, you have to stay away from the dogs also, huh?
It's okay, dogs don't.
No. But
Transmit
you can't.
anything.
No, you can't take a chance. Please.
Dogs don't transmit anything to do with coronavirus at all.
Okay, now
Everything.
have you given the bread? They're still eating, now? Stay eating.
Eating
Okay.
bread. Go.
Okay, go.
Okay, Babu, that's all the food I have. I'm sorry. No. He wants to come inside.
Oh no! Oh my God! Look at him,
No,
sweetie
come.
pie.
Come on, no.
God,
No.
I want to take him home.
He looks like. Oh, it's so cute. He looks like candy.
Looks like Candy used to look, na?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, come on. No, come on. Chalo.
You'll have to shut the door quickly.
Chalo, no.
This is such a sweetheart.
Come on, no. Chalo. Come on.
They're less interested in eating and more interested in getting into the car with us.
It shows that
Come.
what they really want is love.
Love, yeah.
Bye, guys. was so nice meeting them.
No, okay, take the sanitizer.
Yes. So cute. We don't deserve dogs. They're the best.
I know.
Humans don't deserve dogs.
क्या ढूंढ रहे हो तुम पैच वहां पर? हाँ? What are you searching for? Patch. There's nothing there. No dog, nothing. Come here. Come back. Patch. Patch, come here. Patch. Oh, he doesn't listen. Come here, Patch. Come. Patch, come here. Very reluctantly almost fell in. Haha. Chalo. What's happening? Football match. Can I join in with my bad back? Well, he is definitely joining in. Oh, he's taken the ball away. Drama, come back with the ball. Drama, come on. Give the ball. Oh, catch him. Catch him. I doubt if any of you can catch him. Either of you. Oh, he's given the ball. Good. No, don't go. Don't go in. What to do about this child? So whenever he runs a little and he feels hot, na, he goes into.
There's algae all over him now.
Yeah. Drama, तुझे नहलाने का कोई फायदा नहीं है. Now he'll go tuck. There. I know when you're going to do your dance. Sorry. Couldn't look at you. Okay, Drama, come on, play football again. Oh, well done, Ari. Drama, are you interested in going and getting the ball? What are you doing? Do not fall in. Fall in. You devious child.
He's eating the plants now.
अच्छा अभी घास लेकर आ गया ये. घास क्यों खा रहे हो आप? Drama, come take the ball. Come. Ari, just throw the ball on.
Drama. See, when I lift the ball up in the air, he gets hurt. Drama, look.
Drama, come. Drama's not playing. Drama, go.
He's eating that.
He's eating grass.
No, it's not grass. It's the leaves of the flowers.
Drama, le. Oh shoot! I hit him his leg.
Drama. He doesn't care.
He's not interested. After the first 15 seconds. Chalo, bye guys. Oi! What is that? Okay, sun is about to set. Lovely na? I always say lovely whenever I point to the sun, the sky. क्या मौसम है टंग 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 आ हा 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 चल कहीं दूर निकल जाए. कहाँ निकलेंगे यार? लॉकडाउन में कहाँ निकलेंगे? चल कहीं दूर निकल जाए. एक लॉकडाउन है जहाँ कहीं नहीं निकल सकता कोई भी. दूर क्या, पास भी नहीं. चलो बाय.